Brianna has broken her ankle. Her doctor has prescribed her some low pain medication for the pain, but that medication doesn't seem to be helping the pain. So she has asked Delaney to see if she can have her old pain medication.
Where are you? I've been waiting here for 5 minutes. Can you come over here quick? My leg hurts. I'm coming. I'm almost there. Okay. Oh, I see you. You got my clothes? You got my money? Of course. Here you go. I need the money. I need clothes. Show me the money. It better be 15. Of course. Just to make sure.
Teens mainly start using narcotics because of peer pressure and pain, both mentally and physically. Narcotics are the most available and most easy to find drug out there.
No, I'm not. That must be a lie. You're just only counting them. Oh my gosh. Fine. No money, no pills. Okay. Please spare some change. Here you go. Oh, thanks. Have a nice day. You too. Jackpot! Hello? Yeah, I did get the money. Yes, I got $5 more. Yes. Okay, can you come? Okay.